What's up, everybody? I just recently started the e-cig thing, helping me quit cigarettes, and I'm also into electronics, so I thought I'd make me a mod. Let's see here. As you can see, I've been at it for about an hour now. Just had an idea. Some people like to drip directly onto the atomizer. I do. So I developed this because dripping on the atomizer directly can lead to fluid inside of the battery if you do too much. And not only, you don't get quite as much out of it. I mean, you only get about 8-9 puffs. And I wanted a little bit more than that. And also a way to clear out the atomizer without having to unhook it from the battery. And I'm doing this with any standard Ego battery with a 510 connection here on the end. So basically, this mod, I just extended the atomizer and added a glass tip. You can see the glass tip here. It's pretty cool. You can see the vapor coming through. It's awesome. I wired it up around here. I actually used a Clearamizer. That white piece in there, it's a ceramic. That's from a Clearamizer. And the wick in there, as you can see, goes up to about here. So it wicks all the way down to the atomizer, so you get more vapor per fill. You can add a little bit more in here than you normally would on a regular drip tip. But the big thing here is I extended it and added a little connection for the battery over here. That means that through the hole here, see if we can look all the way through, maybe, whatever, you can blow out smoke, or vapor. You can blow out the vapor. And I just thought that was kind of cool too. But anyways, let me show you how this works. I'm just screwing it into here. I've got other plans for this. I would like to, mount it on here, kind of like that. Something like this. I want to make it cheap. I want to make it affordable for people to buy. Mount it on the side here. It'd be a pretty cool vaping thing. I'm sure people would be interested in this. Anyways, it works pretty cool. As you can see, there's a lot of vapor, and that's because I'm using a 306 low resistance atomizer inside of here, and combined with the 3.7 volts of the Ego battery, that just makes it's imitating high voltage, so you're going to get more vapor and higher flavor, which is, we all want that. That's pretty cool. I've noticed too, if you got a flavor in here you don't really like, you can just take it and blow it all out onto a paper towel. If it gets clogged up or anything, it's easy, simple to use this. I'd like to make it so this is cheap enough to where you just buy one, you don't have to take it apart, do anything unnecessary to it. Same thing goes with this. I mean, it'll plug into any standard 510 battery and work as a great drip tip. And I was thinking about all different ways to connect it onto here, as I mentioned before, because I think this side, as you can see, battery down at the bottom and atomizer on the top, I think would be a little bit better in doing it something like this. I mean, maybe some people like it like this, maybe some people like it like this. In the video comments, please tell me what you may or may not prefer. I want as much input as I can get. But this, like I said, is my very first mod, e-cigarette mod, and I wanted to do something different. Like I see so many battery mods out there which are just essentially just extra batteries you can buy. But I mean, that's cool. You can get higher voltage and everything. But I've always been very interested in the atomizer itself and how the vapor is produced. I'll be doing more videos. I'll be doing more mods. So check up on me, and hopefully I will be selling this to you guys.